Hey, I'm Hamid. In the next 3 minutes, you'll discover the simplest budget that actually builds wealth. One rule, 3 numbers. Complete financial control. Here's the truth. Half your income covers needs only. Rent, groceries, insurance, utilities, transportation. If you can't survive without it, it's a need. Everything else, not in this bucket. Most people don't know. Netflix is a want, not a need. 30% goes to fun, dining, hobbies, and shopping. But here's the kicker. Stick around for scene 5. I'll reveal the mistake that keeps the 78% of people broke. Let's be real. This 20% is where millionaires are made. Savings, investments, debt payoff above minimums. Quick stat. Only 39% of Americans can cover a $1,000 emergency. This bucket fixes that forever. Nobody tells you this. Most people label wants as needs. That car payment on a luxury SUV. Want. That premium gym membership. Want. Audit every single expense ruthlessly. Be honest or stay broke. Your call. Here's what changed everything. Automate the 20% first. The day you get paid, move it instantly. You can't spend what you can't see. Willpower fails. Systems win. Every single time. Imagine this. What if you flipped it to 30, 50, 20? 30 on needs, 50 to wealth building, 20 for fun. That's how early retirees do it. Start with 50, 30, 20. Then level up aggressively. If this video hit different, drop it in the comments right now. Subscribe and hit that bell for weekly wealth secrets. Tell me, what's your biggest money struggle? I read every single comment. Let's decode your wealth together.